Shandong EaChan Machinery Company Limited. Established in 2014, EaChan Machinery is a modern international company engaged in construction machinery. We are specialized in the production of excavators, road rollers, backhoe loaders, forklift trucks, crawler dumpers, and other construction products. We are located in Jining City, which is a traditional machinery industry base in the east-north of China, and very convenient for transportation by the seashore. Jining City is also civilized and honored as the birthplace of Confucius and Mencius. So, we are a hospitality city and warmly welcome clients and friends to visit us. We have over 10 years of production experience and have a good relationship with many powerful factories to ensure product quality and service. In batches to customers in more than 70 countries and regions all over the world, especially in the USA, UK, Europe, Australia, Africa, Asia, Middle East, and South America. Realize customizable services for customers. Our products enjoy a good reputation among our customers. High quality is our obligation, customer first, great service is our mission. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. We hope to cooperate with you, mutual development, and mutual benefits. Warmly welcome friends at home and abroad, to mutual negotiation, to create brilliance, to develop side by side. It's wonderful to have friends visiting from far.